Okay, so pretty much I go to here, go to my downloads. You see this one here? This one here, Java. I've tried different ones, they don't work. It's pretty much the same thing. I double click on it, click yes. The whole screen will just go blank in a second and it should be returned. So you got this. And I click on that and of course I install. And then it does what it does needs to do for the installation. Sorry about that. So yeah, I pretty much just install it as everyone else would do. Um, and then this pops up. Apparently I could put it in there if I wanted to, because apparently that folder exists, but nothing in it. So go next, and then it installs the Java is supposed to, and then you think, oh yeah, it's all good, it's handy dandy. I could just go to whatever I need to do. In fact, it doesn't. So just give it a second, it'll tell you what the hell's going on. I might try the other one by deleting the other folder and see if that works, because I think this is a 32-bit, but I will, yeah, see, that's the error. I've not installed Java yet. This is the first time I've installed Java, okay? First time installation. Can't fix it. So I can't go to control panel, can't change this, can't change that, can't go to the environmental controls, can't do anything of that because it's not installed. So I can't find the location. Okay? I have tried everything from all the people all around YouTube, all around this, that, whatever. I've tried everything. There is no fix. There is no fix. I've tried everything. I'm serious. I've tried everything. I just can't do it. It's literally like a needle in a haystack, but you cannot find the needle in the haystack because you can't fix the error. So, if anyone has some ideas, please leave them down below, because this is really goddamn annoying. Really annoying. Thank you.